How to fix OneDrive is missing from File Explorer error in Windows. 1. Restart the computer. 2. Reset OneDrive. Run %locale app.% /Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset command as admin. Other lines are /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset /program files x86 /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset 3. Remove using recommended uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall OneDrive. 4. Set 0 to disable file sync and gscd word at /local_machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows in registry editor.